Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your Apple ID and ensuring two-factor authentication access, because the phone will request verification codes. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug into power so the restore won't pause. Now follow the setup assistant prompts. Select language and region, then choose Restore from iCloud Backup. You're starting the transfer immediately, so be patient while the device contacts Apple and lists available backups tied to your account. You'll now pick the specific backup. Choose the most recent one that matches your previous device and storage size, because that preserves app data and settings. Make sure to toggle options for apps, messages, and health data as you prefer. Encrypted backups restore passwords and health automatically. As you proceed, the phone may request passwords for your Apple ID, email accounts, and any encrypted backups. Provide them so apps and accounts reconnect smoothly. Once selections are confirmed, the download begins in the background. You'll finish by letting the phone download apps, photos, and settings. Keep it plugged in and on Wi-Fi until the progress completes. Once apps appear, sign back into accounts that need re-authentication so services resume. If an app or message thread stalls, pause and resume its download or restart the device. For persistent failures, sign out of iCloud and sign back in. If you can't find your backup or downloads won't start, verify iCloud storage and your network connection before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.